Imagine walking into a room full of strangers. It could be a new job, a university class, or a social event. Suddenly, someone walks up to you, smiles, and says, "Hi, tell me about yourself." Do you freeze up? Do you feel nervous? Or do you smile and speak with complete confidence? Welcome to day one of our 30-day spoken English practice series on English Boli Easy. Today, I am going to give you a simple, powerful three-step formula to introduce yourself like a pro, even if you are a complete beginner. Let's dive in. Step number one, the greeting and your name. First impressions happen in the first 3 seconds. It all starts with how you say hello. Never whisper your name or look down. Look into their eyes and smile. If you are in an informal setting like meeting classmates or new friends, you can say, "Hey everyone, I'm Tanvir," or "Hi there, I'm Rahat." But what if it is a formal setting, like a job interview or a business meeting? Keep it professional. Say, "Good morning, my name is Tanvir," or "Good afternoon, my name is Rahat." Here is a quick tip. Avoid saying myself Tanvir. In English conversation, starting an introduction with myself is grammatically incorrect. Always stick to I am or my name is. Step number two, the core. This is where you tell them what you do and where you are from. Let's look at your location first. Instead of just naming a city, make it sound natural. You can say, "I am originally from Sylhet, but I am currently living in Dhaka." This sounds smooth and gives a complete answer. Next, talk about your work or studies. If you are a student, you can say, "Oh, I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science." If you are working, say, "I work as a digital marketer at a tech firm." Notice that I said, "I work as a," instead of just, "I am a." It sounds much more professional and confident. Step number three, the connection. This is the secret step that makes people remember you. Do not just list your hobbies like a robot. Connect your hobby to your personality. Instead of saying, "My hobbies are reading books and watching movies," try saying this. "When I'm not working, I love exploring new fiction books, or you'll find me playing the acoustic guitar." This makes you sound interesting and gives the other person a chance to continue the conversation. Let's put all three steps together into one perfect introduction. Good morning, my name is Tanvir. I am originally from Sylhet, but I currently live in Dhaka. I work as a software engineer, and in my free time, I love traveling and photography. See? Simple, clean, and highly confident. Now here is your practice challenge for today. Knowledge without practice is useless. Go to the comment section right now and type your own introduction using this three-step formula. I will personally read your comments and give you feedback. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for English Boli Easy, share this video with a friend, and I will see you tomorrow for day two. Keep practicing and stay confident.